Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just took out my two Shea black trees outside. We're going to have the remnants of Florence give us downpours, torrential rain tomorrow. So they haven't seen a good rain shower since being in the lean-to here. So I removed all the figs and put them outside. This here is the Zingarella. And the figs are starting to turn, they're swelling up. We have the cooler temperatures at night. I think they become less pliable or something, and they start to split more easily. It's hard to keep up with uniform watering here in the lean-to. But I pulled this aside here. I don't want to put it outside. But I have some room I made up because I noticed that the Ponte Tresa and the I258 have a ripe fig, one ripe fig on each. So let's go take a look at those two figs on the Ponte Tresa and the I258. Yeah, so here are the two Shea blacks. This one here, I started in 2010. I mean, that's an 8-year-old tree, and that's what I have so far. Of course, that's in a pot. So maybe, I don't know, inch in diameter. This one here, let's see. This was 4, I can't see what that says. It's 2013. Yeah, 4/3/13. And I forget, I had it outside and we had a late frost, or we got damaged in the lean-to, and I lost the top of this tree. And it died back, and then I put out this super strong shoot, which is about the size of the main original trunk now. I think that most of that growth was like in 1 year. So that should appreciate the torrential rains tomorrow. But yeah, I noticed on this Ponte Tresa, where is it? Right here. Started swelling up, and it's a lighter green. But then I really noticed this I258. It's a lot bigger than, well, not a lot bigger. It's equal at least, or maybe a little bit bigger than a Black Madeira. It's got a bell shape to it. But that one there, might be able to see that ripen if I put it in the lean-to. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, anyways, this is doing the gardening. I brought in 2 figs there so the rain won't split them. Ponte Tresa and the I258, which if that ripens, it'll be the first time I've tried the I258. This one right here. So thanks for watching. So it just started raining, and my phone started beeping this weird tone I never heard before. Sent out an emergency message, and there's a line of intense downpours on the radar headed this way. I don't know if it's going to make it to us, but got the Shea blacks out in the rain. They must be liking that. Oh, I gotta move that, because that's, if it really pours out, that's going to hit that pot and wash that out. So I gotta move that. Not great fig weather. Yeah, so it's a good thing I moved that pot. I don't even think the heaviest is coming through yet. We just had a news break for the weather, and there's a heavy line of red headed this way. And something called a quick spin up tornado possibility. This is the remnants of Florence.